To turn heads and drop jaws, this striking 34 Ford Roadster wraps freshly restored steel around a custom suspension, a custom leather interior, and a smooth drivetrain that's led by an exotic LT5 V8. Ready to be the center of attention? Your classic awaits. The beneficiary of an extensive body-off restoration that was completed in late 2017, this Ford Smooth Steel was super solid before its intricate freshening even began. Over the course of the car's detailed nut and bolt build, that metal was subjected to a deep massage that culminated in a glossy coat of silky black two-stage. All the right polished stuff is where it ought to be, from the sculpted grille and headlights to its guarded bumpers and blue dot taillights. And a quality cloth top folds behind trick suicide doors and a stainless trimmed windscreen. One of this classic's coolest assets is its thoroughly upgraded interior that features just the right amount of customization. Pop the doors and you're immediately greeted by a wide bench seat that's dressed with Swiss hide leather. A body-matched dash frames sedate odometer gauges, vivid carpet surrounds polished foot pedals and a long low-car shifter, and a banjo-style steering wheel spins on a tilting column. Between the fenders, you're going to find a Lotus-engineered LT5 V8 that was developed for the C4 Corvette ZR1. After a $16,000 engine build, that aluminum mill sends power through a 700 R4 4-speed back to a Ford 9-inch. From its polished grille to its polished exhaust tips, this Ford is a completely sorted showstopper that's ready to hit the road today. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.